नमस्कार दोस्तों, आइए करते हैं प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.5. So very first question is activity. You have to fill in the gaps and complete. First is quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here b square minus 4ac is equal to 5 and b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5. Okay. So this is plus 5 and this is minus 5. So here the value of discriminant is greater than 0. Okay, because 5 is greater than 0. So when value of discriminant is greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. Okay, when the value of discriminant is greater than 0, then its roots are real and unequal. Now this value of b square minus 4ac, here this is minus 5. Minus 5 is less than 0. Okay, minus 5 is less than 0. So when value of discriminant is less than 0, then we'll write roots are not real. Okay, roots are not real. Now we will see second one. Sum of the roots is given to you minus 7. Sum of the roots means what? Alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus 7 and product of roots is given to you, that is alpha into beta is equal to 5. Okay. So what is given? Sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus 7 and alpha into beta is equal to 5. Now you have to frame the quadratic equation. So how will you frame the quadratic equation? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta, this is equal to 0. Now we'll put the value of alpha plus beta. So we'll get, therefore required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta is minus 7, x plus alpha into beta is 5 and this is equal to 0. So what will be the required quadratic equation? X square, this is minus, so this minus becomes plus 7x plus 5, this is equal to 0. Okay, so ऐसे करना था second question. Now we will see the third one. If alpha and beta are roots of quadratic equation, then you have to find the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. We know what is alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a, and what is alpha into beta? That is c by a. So we need the value of a, b and c. So we will compare this equation with standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You will get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 3. Now we'll find the value of alpha plus beta, that is minus b by a. So minus, what is b? b is minus 4 divided by a is 2. So this will be what? This minus minus becomes plus, this will be 4 upon 2, so this is equal to 2. Okay, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now we'll find the value of alpha into beta, that is c by a. What is c? c is minus 3 and a is 2, so we will get minus 3 by 2. Okay, so इस प्रकार से करना था आपको very first question of practice set 2.5 which is based on activity. Okay students, आइए दोस्तों करते हैं second question of practice set 2.5. Second question is find the value of discriminant. So what is the value of discriminant? That is b square minus 4ac. You have to calculate the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac. You have to calculate. This is the value of discriminant. Now first equation, that is first quadratic equation, that is x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. So how will find the value of discriminant? For that we need the value of a, b and c. So therefore we are going to compare this quadratic equation by general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here you will get a is the coefficient of x square. Here coefficient of x square is 1. B is the coefficient of x, which is equal to -7, and C is the constant, which is -1. Now we'll find the value of b square minus 4ac, which is called discriminant. So b square means what? -7 square minus 4. What is a? A is 1. And what is c? C is also -1. So this will be 49. -7 square is plus 49. Because of this minus becomes plus. 4 ones are 4. So 49 plus 4 is 53. So value of discriminant is 53. Now we will solve second one. So second equation is what? Second equation is 2y square minus 5y, and this is what? Plus 10 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation, 2y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. Now we will compare with standard form, that is by ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here you will get a is coefficient of y square, which is 2. B is the coefficient of y, which is -5, and C is the constant, which is plus 10. Now we'll find the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac. So which is equal to b square means what? -5 square minus 4. What is a? A is 2, and what is c? C is 10. So just simplify. This will be 25 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 10s are 80, which is equal to -55. So this is the value of discriminant. Okay. Now we will solve third one. Third one is root 2x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Again we will compare this quadratic equation with general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and here you will get a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 2 root 2. Now we will find the value of b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac, this is equal to b square means 4 square minus 4, what is a? Root 2, and what is c? 2 root 2. Okay, so this will be what? 16 minus 4 2s are 8, multiply by root 2 multiply by root 2. So root 2 multiply by root 2 is 2, so you will write 16 multiply by 2, and which is equal to 16, this is what? 16 minus 8, root 2 multiply by root 2 is 2. So you will get 16 minus 16, which is equal to 0. So value of discriminant in the third equation is 0. Okay students, so इस प्रकार से करना था आपको सेकेंड क्वेश्चन ऑफ प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.5. आइए दोस्तों करते हैं थर्ड क्वेश्चन ऑफ प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.5. So third question is determine the nature of roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, and for that we have to calculate the value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. So first we will calculate the value of discriminant. So this is a quadratic equation. You are going to compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here you will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to -4, and c is equal to +4. Okay, a is the coefficient of x square, so coefficient of x square is here 1, b is the coefficient of x, which is -4, and c is the constant, which is 4. Now we'll find the value of b square minus 4ac. So b square means -4 square minus 4. What is a? A is 1. What is c? C is 4. So which is equal to what? -4 square is 16, and minus 4 ones are 4, 4 4s are 16. So 16 minus 16 is 0. Okay. Now the value of discriminant the value of discriminant is 0. In b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So if the value of discriminant is 0, so therefore we'll write roots of given quadratic equation is real and equal. Okay, the root of given quadratic equation is real and equal. Now we will solve the second quadratic equation. Again, here we will compare this with standard form, that is ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here value of a is 2, value of b is minus 7 and value of c is plus 2. Now you will calculate the value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. So what is b? b is minus 7. So minus 7 square minus 4. What is a? A is 2. And what is c? C is 2. So this is what? 49. This is minus 4 to the 8 to the 16. And this is equal to 9 minus 6 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac is 33, which is greater than 0. So if the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots of the quadratic equation will be real and unequal. Therefore, we will write roots of the quadratic equation is real and unequal. Okay, because the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. In the third quadratic equation, again we will compare this with standard form, that is am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0, and here we will get the value of a is 1, b is 2 and c is equal to 9. Now we will find the value of b square minus 4ac. Therefore, value of b square minus 4ac is equal to b square is what? 2 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 9. So this is equal to, this is 4, 2 square is 4 minus 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36. So this will be minus 32. Plus 4 minus 36 is minus 32, which is less than 0. Okay, minus 32 is less than 0. It means that value of discriminant b square minus 4ac is less than 0, and when the value of discriminant is less than 0, so roots are not real. Therefore you write roots of the quadratic equation is not real. Okay, roots of the quadratic equation is not real. So ऐसे आपको करना था क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 ऑफ प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.5. ओके, आइए दोस्तों करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 of practice set 2.5. You have to form the quadratic equation from the roots are given. Means we know that there are two roots of a quadratic equation, that is alpha and beta. So this is the value of alpha and beta. Okay, this is the value of alpha and beta. Now we are going to frame or form the quadratic equation. Now from the first, this is alpha and this is beta. So what is alpha? Alpha is equal to 0. Alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 4. Alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 4. Therefore, first we will find the value of alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is what? 0 plus 4, which is equal to 4. And second we will find alpha into beta, that is 0 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 0. and now we form the quadratic equation. Therefore, we will get x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta, this is equal to 0. So when roots are given, so we will use this formula, and therefore you will get x square minus, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is 4, so you write here 4, and then x plus alpha into beta is 0, this is equal to 0. So x square minus 4x plus 0 is the required quadratic equation. Okay. Now we will solve the second one. In the second question, what is alpha? Alpha is 3. What is beta? Beta is minus 10. Now we find the value of alpha plus beta. 3 plus minus 10, which is equal to minus 7. What will be the value of alpha into beta? Alpha into beta, what is alpha? Alpha is 3 and beta is minus 10, so which is equal to minus 30. Now we'll frame the quadratic equation by using the formula x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta, this is equal to 0. So therefore we will get required quadratic equation, that is x square minus alpha plus beta is minus 7, x plus alpha into beta is minus 30, this is equal to 0, and therefore x square, this minus minus becomes plus, you will get 7x plus minus minus 30, this is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation for second one. For third one, what is alpha? Alpha is 1 by 2 and beta is minus 1 by 2. So first we will find the value of alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is what? 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2. So addition of these two will be what? 0. Now we will find the alpha into beta. So this will be, alpha is what? 1 by 2 and beta is minus 1 by 2. So this will be minus 1 by 4. Okay. Alpha is 1 by 2 and beta is minus 1 by 2. So when you will multiply, you will get minus 1 by 4. And then we will write the formula. When roots are given, then how we will frame the quadratic equation? So x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta, this is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus alpha plus beta is 0, so 0x, alpha into beta is minus 1 by 4, so 1 by 4 is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Okay, therefore x square minus 0x minus 1 by 4 is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Now we will solve the fourth one. In the fourth case, alpha is 2 minus root 5 and beta is 2 plus root 5. So first we will find the value of alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta, what is alpha? 2 minus root 5 plus what is beta? 2 plus root 5. Now minus root 5 plus root 5 will cancel out. So 2 plus 2 is what? 4. Now we find the value of alpha into beta. Alpha is 2 minus root 5. Beta is 2 plus root 5. Now here you can use the formula of a square minus b square, because this is a minus b, this is a plus b. So you will use your formula a square minus b square. So you will get 2 square minus root 5 square. So 2 square will be 4 minus root 5 square will be minus 5, because square and root will cancel out. You will get minus 1. So value of alpha into beta is minus 1. Now you will write the formula, that is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Now substitute the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Therefore, you will get x square minus alpha plus beta is 4. So you will get here 4x. alpha into beta is minus 1, so you get minus 1, this is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation when the roots are given. Okay students, so this is the question number 4 of practice set 2.5. आइए दोस्तों करते हैं question number 5 of practice set 2.5. Okay, so what is question number 5? Sum of the roots of a quadratic equation is double their product. Find k if equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0. So what is given? Sum of the roots. Sum of the roots means what? Alpha plus beta. Okay. Sum of the roots means what? Alpha plus beta is double their products. Means 2 times their product, that is alpha into beta. Means sum of the roots is equal to double their product. What is the value of alpha plus beta? That is minus b by a. Alpha plus beta is what? Minus b by a. And what is alpha into beta? That is c by a. We are going to use these two concepts to solve this question. Is to find the value of k. To start the solution. So what is quadratic equation? That is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3, this is equal to 0. We are going to compare this with standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, what is a? A is 1. What is b? That is minus 4k, which is coefficient of x. And what is c? C is constant, which is k plus 3. Now we'll find the value of alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is what? Minus b by a. So minus, what is b? B is minus 4k upon a is 1. So which is equal to, this is minus becomes plus, minus minus plus, you will get 4k. So value of alpha plus beta is 4k. What is value of alpha into beta? Which is equal to c by a. And what is c? C is k plus 3 and a is 1. So this is equal to k plus 3. So value of alpha plus beta is 4k and value of alpha into beta is k plus 3. Now according to the question, sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to double their products, that is alpha into beta. What is alpha plus beta? That is 4k. 4k is equal to 2 times alpha into beta is k plus 3. Now we will simplify. So you will get, therefore 4k is equal to 2k plus 6. Okay. Now we will transfer this. So 4k minus 2k is equal to 6. And therefore you will get from this 2k, 4k minus 2k is 2k is equal to 6, and therefore k is equal to 6 divided by 2, and therefore value of k is 3. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So value of k is 3. Okay. So in this way you have to solve this question, that is question number 5 of practice set 2.5. आइए दोस्तों करते हैं 6 question of practice set 2.5. So this is a star bar question. This means this is tricky, important question. Okay. So alpha, beta are roots of y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Find the value of alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay. Now I will write the value of formula of this alpha square plus beta square. So alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha into beta. Okay. Formula of this is what? Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha into beta. It means to find the value of alpha square plus beta square, you need alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Similarly, to find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube, we will use the formula of what? alpha plus beta the whole cube, okay, alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha into beta and alpha plus beta. Okay, you are going to use this formula to find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. Alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha into beta, alpha plus beta. Means to find value of this, again you need sum of the roots and product of the. So first we'll write the solution. What is quadratic equation? Y square minus 2y minus 7, this is equal to 0. Now we'll compare this with the standard form, that is ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. So here what will be the value of a? A is 1. What is b? B is minus 2. And what is c? C is minus 7. And now we'll find the value of alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So minus b is minus 2, a is 1. So this will be what? Plus 2. Because minus minus becomes plus, 2 upon 1, that is 2. And we'll find the alpha into beta, that is c upon a. And what is c? C is minus 7, a is 1. So this will be minus 7 upon 1 is minus 7. Clear? And now we'll find the value of alpha square plus beta square. So first we'll find the value of alpha square plus beta square. So we'll use the formula, that is alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha into beta. So what is alpha plus beta? 2 square minus 2. What is alpha into beta? Minus 7. So this will be 4 minus minus plus 2 sevens are 14. So 14 plus 4 is what? 18. Okay. So what is the value of alpha square plus beta square? Alpha square plus beta square is 18. Now we find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. So alpha cube plus beta cube can be written as what? Alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha into beta in bracket alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Minus 7 cube. Okay. Alpha plus beta is, alpha plus beta is 2. So 2 cube minus 3 alpha into beta is minus 7 and alpha plus beta is 2. Okay. Now just put the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So what you will get? This is what 8. This minus minus becomes plus. 3 to the 6, 6 sevens are 42. So 8 plus 42 is what? 50. So value of alpha cube plus beta cube is 50 and value of alpha square plus beta square is what? 18. Okay. So this is the answer of 5th question of practice set. 6th question of practice set 2.5. आइए दोस्तों करते हैं 7th question of practice set 2.5. So what is 7th question? The roots of each of the following quadratic equations are real and equal. So when roots are real and equal, we know that when roots are real and equal, then value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. This value of discriminant is 0. Okay. Then we will say that roots are real and equal. So if the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal, you have to find the value of k. So first we will solve the first one. What is first one? 3y square plus ky plus 12. This is equal to 0. And what is second? Second one is kx x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. The roots of this quadratic equation are real and equal. Means value of discriminant is 0. So first we'll find the value of a, b and c. So we will compare this with what? Ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. And you will get here a is equal to 3, b is equal to k because coefficient of y is k, and c is constant, which is 12. As given that roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. Real and equal. Okay. What is given? Roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. It means that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore, what is b? That is k square. b is k, so k square minus 4. What is a? A is 3 and c is 12. And this is equal to 0. Therefore, write k square minus 4 3s are 12, 12 12s are 144. This is equal to 0. Therefore, k square is equal to 144. And by taking square root, you will get value of k is plus minus 12. Okay. You will get value of k is plus minus 12. Okay, students. Now, in the second equation, first we'll multiply. So multiply this with x, so we will get kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Compare with standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And here you will get a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. As the roots are real and equal, roots are real and equal, value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is b? b is minus 2k, the whole square, minus 4. What is a? A is k. And what is c? C is 6. This is equal to 0. So this will be what? 4k square minus 24k, and this is equal to 0. Take 4k as a common, so you will get k minus 4 6 are 24. This k is outside. This is equal to 0. Therefore, we will write 4k is equal to 0, or k minus 6 is equal to 0. So either we will write 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0, and therefore you will get here k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6. Okay. So here, this is the quadratic equation. When we put k is equal to 0, so this first term becomes 0. It means that it will not be a quadratic equation when you will put value of k is equal to 0. So your answer is what? K is equal to 6. So k is equal to 6 is the answer of the second equation. Okay students. So इस प्रकार से करना था आपको 7th question of practice set 2.5. Okay. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Have a nice day.